Welcome students to the online class Standard 6th subject Mathematics. Chapter number 4 Operation on Fractions. So student, today we are going to solve question number 1 of your workbook. Okay. So let's begin with the first question. Students, today we are going to solve the question which is on page number 23 of your workbook of this lesson. As I've explained you about the improper fraction in the previous slide, so we are going to solve the sum based on this improper fraction. So already they have solved the first question in your workbook. We'll be starting with the second one. Okay, here they have given mixed fraction 5 1 upon 6, and we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So let us begin with the solving of this question. See student, first what we have to do, we have to write it as 5 plus 1 upon 6. Okay, now your denominator is not there, so we have to write it in such a form that we can add your denominator. So what we are going to do, we are going to write it as 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 6. Now we have got your denominator, numerator denominator form, here also numerator denominator form. Now your denominator is not same. Now we have to make the denominator same. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply it by 6 on both the side, means on numerator and on denominator. Okay, so 5 multiply by 6 upon 1 multiply by 6 plus 1 upon 6 will remain as it is. You don't have to do anything here. Okay, now what we are going to get, 5 6 are 30 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. Now here both the side denominators are same. So how we are going to write 30 plus 1 upon 6 in this way, because the denominator are same, so we have to write just once. So what we are going to get answer as 31 upon 6. So see student, here we have got mixed fraction, and as I have told you that in mixed fraction the numerator are always greater than your denominator. Now similarly student, we are going to solve the third sum. Here also we are going to write it as 4 plus 3 upon 4 in this way. Okay, now your denominator is not there, so we are going to add denominator, 4 upon 1 plus 3 upon 4. Now why am I adding here 1 or here 1? Because 1 doesn't changes. Okay, 1 doesn't changes the meaning of the number, so that is why we are adding 1 upon 1. Now your denominators are not same, so we have to make the denominator same. For that we have to multiply by 4 in the numerator and the denominator. So what we are going to do, 4 multiply by 4 upon 1 multiply by 4 plus 3 upon 4 will remain same. Okay, so now what we are going to get, 4 4s are 16 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. Now here you can see the denominators are same on both the side. So we are going to write it as 16 plus 3 upon 4. Now what we are going to get answer as 19 upon 16 plus 3 is 19 upon 4, and as you can see here we have got the answer as 19 upon 4, where 19 is greater than 4, and that is why it is mixed fraction, because in mixed fraction always your numerator is greater than your denominator. Now student, will be solving the fourth question of your workbook. So again we have to write it in this same form, 2 plus 5 upon 9. Again we have to convert it in numerator and denominator form. So we are going to write it as 2 upon 1 plus 5 upon 9. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to convert it this numerator, because the numerator here and here are different. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply it by 9. 2 multiply by 9 upon 1 multiply by 9 plus 5 upon 9 will remain same. So now what we are going to get, 2 nines are 18 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9. As you can see, now here on both the sides the denominators are same. So what we are going to do, we are going to write it as 18 plus 5 upon 9. So we are going to get answer as 18 plus 5 how much, it's 23 upon 9. Here also student we have got improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, and rest two sums, that is question number 5 and 6 will be homework for you. You're going to do it by yourself. Okay, thank you.